Hello, this is Shehzad, and this is another video with necessary Python for artificial intelligence. In this video, we will learn about the tuples in Python. So in Python, a tuple is a data structure, just like a list, but one key difference. Tuples are immutable, meaning you cannot change, add, or remove elements once they are created. Tuples are useful when you want to store a collection of items. Okay. And the main property of tuple is the contents of a tuple cannot be changed, ensuring the data integrity. So tuples are faster than lists for operations due to their mutability. And let's try some code for tuples. So how do you create a tuple? So you use parentheses and separating the data within the parentheses with comma. So let's say we have a tuple, tup is the variable, and I want to create a tuple. So what I can do, I can create I use parentheses like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we go. So we have created a tuple. Let's check it out. So here you go. And you can also include strings as well. And here you can see. And another way to, you can also add the boolean. So this is how you create a tuple. Another way to create a tuple is that using if, for example, if you want to create a single data tuple, you cannot create it like just like this. It will not give you any error, but if you check the type of this variable, it will be integer. So how do you create a tuple with a single data? You have to add a comma in it. Now, if you run this cell, you can see that it is a tuple now. So this was it. And next we try to learn that how we can access tuple. So we have this let me add another cell. So we have this tuple that we created earlier. So I'm taking the same in the third cell. So to access a tuple element, we can access it by its index number. For example, if I want to access 2, tuples index start from 0. So if I want to access 0, so I have to type in 1. And here you go. And you can also slice it. Like you can also slice this. Like for example, if you want tuple value from 4 to this Shehzad string. So what we can do, 0, 1, 2, and we start from 2, and we 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we type in 6, because we if we type in 5 here, it will exclude the last stopping point. So here we have slicing of the tuple. We can also get another, and we can store it into another variable. So, and this was slicing. If you want to jump, for example, you want every second data from the tuple, it will start from 0 and stop at 6, and it will jump two data points. So here it is. So it started from 0, that is 1, and then it jumped to 1, 2, and then it returned a 3, and then it jumped to 3 and 4, then it returned a 5, and we have these two. These two were already were not there was not more data to show after 6. So this was it, the slicing part of the tuple. Next we have we can explore like some tuple operations. So what can we try here is like, let's see, we want to count. Let's see if we have more tools here. We have 2 tools in the data, and we want to count how many 2's are there in tuple. We can just type in the data point. Okay, this is 2. And next we can also we have also another function that is index. So that index, this function will return the index of the given data. So how does work is this, that we use tuple dot index, and let's say you want the index of sixth one, then no, let me add that. So what is showing X is not, what is not tuple dot index tuple. Okay, just hold on. Okay, I made some mistake here. So this is returning the index of the Shazar data within the tuple. So let's say if you have you can also change the type of tuple to you can convert the tuple into list. So how you can do that is simple. LST, this is list, and I want to convert my tuple into list. So this will be list, and provide a tuple variable, and if we've checked, this is we got the list, and then we check the type of this, and as you can see, this is a list now. And you can also convert this list into a tuple. And there you go. Check the tuple. The type of this variable will be it's tuple. So next we can learn more about tuple is this, that we can add we can create a nested tuple. Like for example, this is a variable, and you want to create a tuple within another tuple within a tuple. This is how you create it. So you have to close the parenthesis, and so here you go. So how do you access these tuples? So for that, what you can do is that use square brackets, and let's say you want to access 4 from the 4 tuple. So close this one and start another square bracket, and you can choose 1. So here you go. Now you have specifically accessed the 4th, this value. So how it is working, like first you provide the index of the first tuple that is within a tuple, and which is 1. So 0, 1. And after that, from these two values, which value you would like to retrieve. So we choose 4. So this is 0, 1, and here it is 1. And that is how it is working. This is how compiler works here. Let's say if you have a tuple, for example, this is called unpacking and unpacking. For example, you have a tuple already, and you want, for example, you have tuple. Let's create a tuple first. You have tuple first, okay. Age, okay. What happened here? Name, age, and one more we can take like city. This is our city, and this information we have in a tuple. Okay, now I want to unpack into different variables. For how I can do is like name, comma, age, comma, city, and we'll provide this tuple. So no error found. It will print name, comma, city, comma, age. So here you see we have name, city, age. These variables are the values of the tuple are now saved into these variables. So this technique is called unpacking of tuples. So this was it about the tuples. So let's revise it and list down some important information about the tuple, which is that tuples are immutable, cannot be changed, and these are faster due to immutability, and you can use it for data that you want to have to remain constant. For example, fixed settings of something do you want to use, or the coordinates, for example. This is another use of tuple. So you can use tuples when you need a collection of patterns that should not change. Consider tuples for fixed data like coordinates, days of the week, or configuration settings. Tuples are often used for returning multiple values from functions. So these are all the useful uses of the tuple. So this was all from my side about the tuples in Python. I hope you liked this video and have learned from it. Uh, if you have any comments or want have any confusion, you can write it down in the comment section. Hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.